What's going on YouTube? It is HemiBoy392 back at it again with another video. Today I got a nice little unboxing video and install video for y'all. I just picked up a couple things picked up my YouTube decal that's gonna go in the front. I already have one in the back, as you guys know, but I'm gonna put it in the front too, just so you know, people can see it in the front as well, you know, advertising. And I also picked up one of these car mounts from like Five Below, just so I can do a couple reaction videos for y'all. I want to get some driving reactions from a few people out here that I know, their first time riding in the Scatpack, so I want to do that. And I got an iPhone, so it's pretty good quality, so I don't know if I'll use the camera or the iPhone or whatever, but y'all gonna get the videos anyway. And also, I have something in this package right here that I'm gonna go ahead and unbox for y'all. So, I picked this up, or I ordered this maybe about a few days ago, and if you look over here, you see I got my hood popped. So you kind of know, or you might know, but you might not. So we're gonna come over here, and I have. Has another envelope in here. Go ahead and you see what this is. It's an oil catch can. A lot of people might not see the benefits of an oil catch can on their car, but I do. I had catch cans on the last car. It picked up quite a bit of stuff, so I decided to go ahead and get one with the Scatpack. Purely reasons, I don't know how reliable it's gonna be. I don't know if this is actually gonna make it even more reliable, but I picked it up anyways. Yeah, so I got this one off eBay. I think I paid maybe $105 for it, maybe 110 shipped. It's just a nice plain black one. There's nothing fancy, no color or anything, you know. As long as it does the job. I don't know, you know, if it matters what brand it is, or you know, if it's one of the fancy high-priced ones. If it'll, as long as it do the job, I don't really care. So I went ahead and picked up a cheap one to see how it works. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to show you how to install this. See, and it comes with these nice braided lines as well. You see, rather than the other plastic ones, pretty nice quality. And it also comes with the little fittings you have right here, black, and of course instructions. So let me go ahead and get my little area set up, and I'll show y'all how to install it. So first things first, I'm gonna take this little clip off down here. Oh shit, it's hot up in here. I ain't ran this shit in a minute. It's hot. But this little clip out right here, because that's where the Z bracket right here is gonna mount to, right here. So I'm gonna use this trim removal tool, try to get up in there and not damage anything, of course. Let's see. Alright, you're gonna take this spacer right here, you're gonna stick this through. I believe you put this right here. Stick it down in that little hole right there that I did somewhat earlier. Screw it in. Excuse me, let me grab my. Let's try to hand tighten it. I don't think it's threaded, because I don't think it's going right there. Go ahead, do it. Alright, tight. Fuck you need this goddamn space from is what I want. Here. Alright, y'all, so I lost my 10mm I dropped it down at the bottom, so I had to go to the store and get a new one. This is like the 4th one already in the last month, so I had to go get a new one so I can get this bolt put in over here, down here. So you have to put the spacer. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me shine my phone light. But this is a UPR catch can, so it comes with this spacer back here. So you have to put that spacer on along with this little bolt right here. It's a 10mm down there, and then you kind of just moved it in with a ratchet or something, whatever you want to use to put your 10mm in. You know, whatever. Next thing is, you gotta get this hose off right here. I don't know how hard it is. It just comes out, or I gotta pry it out. But fucking shit. There we go. I'm just coming out now. Let's use a little bit of muscle. Pry this bad boy out. Like so. Disconnect that one, and this one should be easy since it should be easy. Pull it out just like that. So you got this, you ain't gonna need this no more. Garbage. And then you want to take these little hose fittings right here, and you're gonna slide them over once you adjust wherever your shit's gonna go. I don't know where it's gonna go yet, so it's probably gonna go like that. Slide these in there like so. I'm not gonna do it yet because I already got it stuck until I'm 100% sure where it's gonna fit. You just slide these little thingies into the hole right there, and then you slide your little PVC hole pump in there like that, and then you'll be good to go. Yeah, so let me go ahead and situate this, get it all measured up, see where these are gonna go, see how much I need to cut off, and then I'll tune back in with y'all. Guys, it got a little dark on us. While we were doing this, we ran into a lot of technical difficulties. This piping right here is very hard. So scissors, regular scissors, even a utility knife really didn't work. So we had to, you know, do the little ghetto way. We got our garden clippers over here we had to use because that's the only thing that was gonna cut through them. Yeah. So I needed 2 people for that, so she couldn't really record. But you see I got it all installed now. I did have a couple ups and downs while installing this. You see these fittings right here, these 2 right here. I think I cut it a little bit too short for this one, so I didn't use a fitting on this one. I don't think it makes a difference. I think it's more just like aesthetics, because it's very tight on there anyway. So I didn't use the fittings on there. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty sturdy. There's no kinks in any of the hoses. Everything's pretty straightforward. If you got directions, if not, there's a million YouTube videos on. Just because I didn't really do a very good how-to, but I'm just like kind of explaining to you now. So yeah, this is how it looks, the finishing product after, you know, a 10mm loss and a hose cut short. Make sure everything on there tight. And guys, like I said, the catch can isn't for everybody. It's not like it really makes a big difference. I guess some people say it's a waste of money. I think it's just me investing on keeping the longevity of my car pretty good, you know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and invested in one. Not saying you have to go invest in one, but you know, it'd be nice to have one. Just Hemi, because you know they do like the recycle oil, I guess. I've seen it in a few videos. So yeah, man, that's how That's the oil catch can, UPR catch can. Go on eBay. I'll leave the link down in the description to the one I bought, just in case you want to go, take a look at the eBay store or UPR's website if they have one. I'm not sure. I got it on eBay. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description down below, and you can go check them out. But next, we got one more thing we're gonna do tonight, and that is my banner, my YouTube banner over here. This is gonna be pretty simple. 5 minutes maybe, if that. I'm not gonna show you guys how I put this one on because I showed you how I did the back one. I'm just gonna show you how it looks afterwards, which I'm pretty sure most of you gonna know how it looks afterwards. It's just a YouTube banner, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show you anyways. So yeah, man, let us get this thing on straight, and then I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Alright guys, here's how it looks. YouTube banner on the front. Pretty straightforward how you do it. How you do any other decals, stickers, etc., etc. But that's pretty much how it looks. At the end of the day, I think it looks good. I think it's good for my YouTube, which I'm trying to build, road to 500 subscribers. Also, y'all help me get there. If y'all watching to this point forward, just go ahead and share that video. Hit that subscribe button if you're watching. Hit that notification bell because I upload frequently. I got a lot of bangers coming. But y'all, anyways, so yeah, this is how it looks. Oil catch can installed, YouTube banner. That's pretty much it. And that's gonna be pretty much my video. Yeah, we got a little catch can, the YouTube banner up there, and that's it. You see, guys, I like to do stuff sometimes by myself, DIY. A little help, sometimes is also good too. But like I said before, don't pay nobody to do this stuff, man. You can do it yourself if you feel comfortable with it. I wasn't very comfortable with this. I've done it once before on my other charger, but what the hell is that? Something over here making noise and stuff behind me. I did this once on my other charger, so I was like, F it, why not do it on this one? So yeah, do it yourself at home, man. It's easy. Just watch a couple YouTube videos if you got to. Most of this stuff ain't hard enough for you to be paying somebody to do it. So all these beetles around me is making me nervous. I don't like them. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also leave a comment what you think on the oil catch can and the YouTube banner that I put on the front. Yeah, man, I'll catch you in the next one.